in this step, we're going to make our moving obstacle compare its position to its starting position and figure out when it needs to turn around. So let's go and edit the script on our moving obstacle. So it starts off moving, it gets this x velocity. We want it to keep checking, have I gone too far, have I gone too far, have I gone too far. We want that to constantly happen. So we'll go to events and grab that constantly block. This runs with every frame that the game renders, so probably 60 frames a second, so that'll be 60 times per second this will be updating. Then we want to be asking a question about its position, so we want to check a condition. We'll go to control flow and grab that if block to check if a condition is true. We want to know if the x position, the horizontal position of that obstacle, is greater than a limit that we'll set for it. So we want to know, have I gone too far to the right? So we want a greater than block, which is from operators. We grab this equals block and that'll change to a greater than block. So operators equals, click on the equals and change it to greater than. Now we want to know if x position of myself is greater than a number. So we'll go to transform and grab x position of myself, put that in the left side. If x position of myself is greater than, and in here this number that we'll put in this blank spot will be the right hand limit, which will be where we started plus a number. So let's say we started at 200 and we only want to go for 200 more pixels. We want to know if we've gone past 400, because 200 plus 200 is 400. So let's grab a plus block from operators, and we're going to use that starting x position that we stored in a variable. If we go to variables and grab number starting x position, and we're going to add a number to this. So this is how far away the moving obstacle will get from where it started. You could try any number. I'm going to try 300, so that should give my moving obstacle a range of 300 and then it'll turn around again. So if its position is greater than starting x position plus 300, we want it to turn around, so we need to set its velocity. We'll go to physics and grab set velocity x to 0. We don't want it to be 0, we want it to turn around and come the other way, so that'll be negative 200. Let's test that out now, and we can see it turned around, and then it hit me, and it sent me to the you win screen. It really should have sent me to the you lose screen, because I went and changed my level order. So I might just fix that really quickly. My player, if I edit my player script, when I touch an obstacle, it really should send me to 4, not 3, and you win should send me to 3, not 2. There we go. Okay, now I want my moving obstacle to turn back around, which we'll do in the next step.